Show you how to reset the Sony Earbuds. This is the Sony model number WF-1000XSM4. Okay, I'm only going to show you how to reset these. You can also factory reset these, which look in the link below. I try to factory reset these, but let's just go ahead and do a regular reset on these. With the regular reset, it's not going to, all the pairing information is still going to be retained. Okay, with the factory reset, that's when all the pairing information will be deleted as well. Okay, but this is just the reset. Okay, so let's go ahead and reset these. Maybe you have an issue, one side's working, one side's not, volume, maybe you can't pair, connect. We can go ahead and try to do a reset. So first thing is, let's take out both buds out of the case here. And what we have to do is we have to reset each bud one at a time, okay? So let's plug in our charging cable into the case here. Okay, you got an orange light here, it's powered on. Now let's reset one of these first. You got to put one in like that, and now what we got to do is close and open the lid 5 times, okay, until I see like a red light down here. So it's charging now. Let me close it. Let's do it 5 times, okay? 1, 2, it's not red yet. Where's that red? 3, 4, no, where's that red? 5, okay, there it is. Now leave it here. Now it's blinking red, and now it's going to blink green to confirm. Green blinks 4 times. Now it's confirmed. Now it's done. Okay, now it goes back to orange. So this left side here is done resetting. Now we're going to grab the other side here. We're going to pop it in there, and we'll do this together. Okay, it should be 5 times. Sometimes you got to go 6 or 7 times. Just wait until you see the red light here. But let's try it again. Ready? Okay, close. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if it works. 5. No. Okay, let's. Hey, where's the red light? Okay, so you got to keep going sometimes. So we're going to keep going. Okay, there you go. See, that one took like 10 times. Okay. Anyway, let's wait right here. You can see the green right there, so it's confirmed. Back to orange. So there we go. So both of these are reset now. And again, if you want to know how to factory reset these, look in the link below.